Does technical analysis and execution of that analysis vary from each other? The answer is absolutely yes, because as and when we start off our trading journey into technical analysis, we learn different sets of tools and indicators, systems and strategies, and that particular mastery depends on our level of learning capability and many more things. But learning is different thing, and when it comes to execution of that technical analysis, it depends upon the level of commitment, the level of confidence and competence we have, and that will automatically come up as and when we are backtesting that particular system or strategy. And when it comes to buying and selling orders and stop loss orders as well, we are being more confidential based on our own systems or strategy. So the answer is as clear as that learning of that particular technical analysis, that particular system or strategy is going to play a different role, and execution is altogether going to create a different role into your trading journey. And execution is much more important as compared to learning of that particular system or strategy as well.